fluffy, aromatic and yummy ghee rice. Here's an easy recipe on how you can make this in your kitchen. I'm using high quality long grain basmati rice for this recipe. To feed 5 people, measure 3 cups of rice in a container. Rinse this 3 times under running water until the water turns clear and not murky. Washing off the starch right before cooking will give you beautiful fluffy rice. Using a strainer, strain off all the water and set it aside. Heat up a small heavy bottom pot and place 2 tablespoons of good quality ghee. To this add 1 handful split cashew nuts and 1 handful raisins. Fry this under low fire as cashew nuts turn to burn really fast. Keep stirring and you will see the cashew nuts turning beautiful golden brown and the raisins will start to fluff up. Now remove this from the heat and return the ghee to the stove. To the same ghee add aromatic spices. I've listed the spices down in the description. Fry the spices until it begins to pop. To this add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry these on low fire until a beautiful aroma starts to emerge. Stir gently so the ginger garlic paste doesn't burn. After 1 to 2 minutes of stirring, turn the fire off. Now add your fried aromatics onto your strained rice. Make sure you scrape off everything, leaving none behind. To this add 2 teaspoons of salt. Measure 6 cups of water and add it onto the rice. Stir this thoroughly until everything is well mixed. You can add a little bit of yellow food coloring to enhance the color. Now add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and you're good to go. Once the rice cooker is done, fluff up the rice with a fork. This is to make sure the rice grains remain intact and the rice is fluffy. Before serving, add your toasted cashew nuts and raisins. For added aroma and freshness, add some coriander leaves. Your ghee rice is now ready to be served. Serve your ghee rice with your favorite curries. This recipe is brought to you by
Hearty meals home cooked.